Let's look at practice 4a, question 1d. Okay, in practice, this question you are given two triangles and you are asked to state whether they are congruent, and if they are, to write the correct statement. So recall the test we just learned was the side, side, side test. Okay, let's see whether this is true. Alright, I will use the colors to represent the corresponding side so that it's easier to see. So we can see that over here, side AB is equals to side PR. Okay, and we can find another similar side as well. AC is similar to PQ. And finally, okay, let me choose a different color. Alright, BC, okay, is the same as RQ. Okay, so recall just now, how did we show the working? Alright, we have to show the three sides are equal. So maybe let's start off with the side AB. Now, how do we know what AB corresponds to? I know, okay, it's this yellow line here, but is it PR or RP? Okay, so to be sure, let's look at the point A here. You see that at where point A is the convergence, or is where the yellow line and the green line meets. So in the other triangle, we will also look at the point where the yellow line and the green line meets, and that is P. So we know A corresponds to P. Now, how about B? B is where the yellow line and the red line meets. So correspondingly, okay, we will look at the other triangle where the red line and the yellow line meets, and that is R. Okay, so AB is equals to PR. And we write the reason here. This shows that the side is equal, and we use S to represent. Now, the next side, AC. Okay, we know that A already corresponds to P, so we can write down P. And AC is the green line, will correspond to PQ, so we know that C will correspond to Q. And this is the second side. Okay, to use the side test, we need the third side, and the third side is BC. And by now, we know B corresponds to R, so we can write this as R. C corresponds to Q, so this is RQ. Okay, we check the diagram. This is RQ, so this is side. So with this, therefore, I can conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Remember, make sure the sides are corresponding. A corresponds to P, B corresponds to, please be careful in this case, look at here, B corresponds to R. So it's PR, and C corresponds to Q. So it's not necessarily PQR, okay? In this case here, it's PRQ. And you give the reason as triple S, and you are done.